Good evening from not so much not sunny Spain, but very humid Spain. It has been boiling here all day, although quite cloudy, but very, very hot at the moment. It's 35 and it's still hopper state in the evening, so it's been quite uncomfortable. Right, well, look, we didn't have a brilliant close on Friday on the FTSE, to be fair. Thursday we tried that 67.80 level, failed, and down we came. Now, this pattern that we're seeing is quite bearish. I know it's difficult because every time we even dip our toes below 6,700, it gets bought up. But look, ever since we've made this big pole here, we've got higher highs and higher lows. You can see where we're trading within this band here. Now, these higher highs and higher lows are quite negative in charting terms, so we've really got to be careful this week. You can see if we open and that level, our bottom of our little band there, our little band is 6,700. So if we open and we stay below 6,700, then obviously we're going to come back down and we're going to see this 66, 65 area once more. Now, we have had bearish diverging indicators, so the price has been going higher, but our indicators have been turning lower. So this is another reason why we've got to be very, very careful going into this week. When prices diverge from the indicators, it's often a signal that you're going to see a reverse of trend. I'm not sure, but it's looking like if we cannot break 67.80 in the next two trading sessions, the market's going to go, do you know what, we've tried to go up, we haven't, let's have a bash on the downside. And that basically is as simple as it is. It will be that simple if we can't break higher. So the level to watch again is our 67, 67.95, 67.85. We go through 85, I think we're going to have quite a good run to the downside. Now if I put on some fib levels for you, and I'll do them from here to here, or not, bless. Let's try that again. You can see that our first fib level comes in at 65.5. So there's quite a way to go on the downside if we can't break through 67.80. Now obviously we all know that we've got that 66.5, 66, what, 6666, 6665, okay? So any break below 66.5 will see buyers scatter, sellers will be going yay, they're back in focus, and they will try and push us down to 65.5. Now what happens if we can break 67.80? If you look at this little level here, okay, so let's say this line comes in at 67.90, so that's what we're going to be looking at. So to give it space, we're going to be looking at 67.95 on the top side. We break here and you've got 68.25 to 30, and then 68.80 as a short-term objective. And I don't see any reason why we can't get up there if we break above 67.95. As I've said, if we don't, we're going to test the downside and break that 66.95 area.